Wait, did my vegetables just start talking?
We can talk, Mia!
You can really talk? Of course! And I can cook! Well, maybe I need teamwork. I have a special recipe for us.
Wow! What are we making?
A friendship vegetable soup. Coco, can we eat the carrot now? First we cook Coco.
Chef Pip has everything ready. Okay, tiny chefs, let's cook together.
Come on, kitchen crew, let's cook.
Clean vegetables make a happy meal. Clean and shiny! Remember, friends, sharp kitchen tools are for grown-ups. Always ask a grown-up to help.
Every safety first.
Me too. Stir, stir. Cooking is even more fun when we work together. Let's create a yummy veggie surprise.
1, 2, 3 carrot peas.
Whoa, this tomato is huge. Teamwork makes it fun. We did it! Oops.
Don't worry. Chef Pip is here.
A little green magic.
That smells wonderful.
Does tasting count as cooking?
I saw that!
Oops. I was just looking.
We'll have plenty to taste later.
Let's get cooking.
Whoa! Carrots first. In go the carrots. Tomato coming. Perfect.
Whoa! That is why.
Got it! Yay!
Yay!
Stir slowly.
Like this? Exactly.
That smells so yummy. Our friendship soup is almost ready.
Something is missing. Missing!
Carrots, tomatoes, peas.
Wait! Corn.
corn here. No corn.
Maybe we don't need corn.
But the recipe says corn. Let's check the garden. I see. Something! Corn! Corn? Found it. Mission complete!
Oh! It's heavier than me!
Teamwork again. Yeah. That's what good friends do. Corn going in. Soup dance!
Chef Pip approves!
I think it's ready.
Yay!
We did it together! Together tastes better. Best soup ever. Because we made it with friendship. Mia, which part did you enjoy the most?
Helping each other.
Toto, even when things go wrong?
Especially then.
And sharing? Sharing makes the meal sweeter.
Friends make ordinary days special.
And organized.
A little help?
Everyone help! Team work!
Friends, make every adventure better. Bye, 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 bye. What would you cook with your friends? Tell us your favorite food. Remember, cooking together makes friendships stronger. Mia! Oh no!